We are tracking just a disaster out of Texas this morning because of that tropical depression. There are several reports of major flooding across the state, including this. This is video out of Beaumont. Water just taking over homes and businesses. An evacuation order in place for a hospital there this morning. The Red Cross has a flood shelter open for folks who need it. Some spots here getting feet of water because of this storm. And look at this incredible dashcam video of a tornado. This is near Houston. See the tornado and debris. It crosses a road that hits several cars and trees. Listen to one person who sees the whole thing.
What was that tank, that propane tank? It's a 100-gallon propane tank. You picked it up, slammed into the house, and everything in the cabinets went flying out and crashing.
Good news here, there's only minor damage. No one was hurt. But Stephanie, that storm just so slow moving. I'm seeing pictures out of Texas. It's a disaster.
Yeah, I know. I don't think we've seen anything like this since Harvey, and Harvey dropped more than 50 inches.
Yeah.
Now, we haven't seen that much rain, but we've seen more than a foot of rain in some spots. I actually want to take a look at the radar and satellite here for that area of the country. You can see that rain. This is a loop for the past 24 hours. It's barely moved from Houston and into Louisiana there. So taking a closer look here at how much rain could potentially fall or could have potentially fallen. This is the radar estimated rainfall totals for the past 48 hours. Look at these yellows. In some of these, I was actually clicking on it to see how much the radar thinks fell. 20 inches in some spots, even more in others. So lots of rain has fallen. Fortunately, though, it is expected to move out here as we head throughout the next couple of days. Here at home, we're actually tracking the tropics here because Hurricane Lorena going to have an impact on our weather. Currently a Category 1, winds of 75 miles per hour, moving to the northwest at 8 miles an hour. It's kind of going to be following the Baja California coast here as we head into the weekend and the early parts of next week, pushing tropical moisture into our area. That tropical moisture plus this upper level low pressure system that's going to be dropping down into our area. You add those two together, we're going to be getting widespread rain showers. Some good beneficial rain is expected from this. So taking a look at those kind of to time out the rain. One thing to note is we're still several days out, so exact timing and intensity will most likely be changing. It's been changing over the last couple of days, but right now Sunday afternoon through Monday and into Tuesday is looking when it kind of ramps up and then it dwindles off after Tuesday. You can see this is Monday evening, so Monday evening's commute could definitely be wet. Tuesday morning, you could even be seeing some rain, and same thing for Tuesday afternoon. Now, it's not going to be 3 days of continuous rain, but periods of heavy rainfall definitely possible. And just how much rain could we get? Right now, I'm thinking about 1 inch to 2 inches. I think this model may be overdoing some of these rain totals, but the heaviest right now looks to be to the north of Tucson. And we could definitely use it because the latest drought monitor was just released. Really basically all of I-40 and the area around there in severe drought. It's now also going down through the Phoenix Metro and into Pinal County. Drier conditions through Santa Cruz and Cochise County, and then moderate drought here in this tan color. This has gotten worse throughout the summer as we haven't seen a lot of moisture from monsoon, so we definitely need this rain early next week to fall so it can hopefully kind of better our conditions there. Dry conditions though expected today, tomorrow, and really through Saturday. Temperatures hovering right around the average 80s for the first day of fall, and hopefully that widespread rain.
All right, Stephanie.